down there.
A bug down there.
There's bugs down there too. Say hi, Mom, in the camera.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Mommy.
Say we're having fun at the zoo.
We're having fun at the zoo.
And go ahead.
We're under the display. The zoo.
And what did we see?
There's spiders in there.
Spiders in there. Probably big spiders in there too.
The witch in there.
A witch?
Yeah.
How could there be a witch in the tree?
The witch's tree?
Is there?
No.
Oh, I hope not. Hey, buddy.
There's spiders in there?
Yeah, there's spiders in there.
No.
Let's get down and go see the zebras. We keep looking for zebras. We can't find any, huh?
What? Like a birdie.
Wow, they're big.
That big.
They're very big. How big are they? So big. They're so big. Are they as big as you or bigger?
They're 3.
They're 3?
Yeah. They're birdies.
3 years old. Hi.
You're a monkey.
No.
Yeah, you're climbing like a monkey.
You're a monkey.
I just see all the spiders.
You want to see if there's any spiders in there?
No.
Oh.
No.